This is really two jobs combined. First, collapse the spacing into clean words, then reverse the word order. We need to return the words in reverse order with exactly one space between them, and no leading or trailing spaces. Solve LeetCode 151. Reverse words in a string. Example 1 ends with answer blue is sky the. Example 2 ends with answer world hello. Your reversed string should not contain leading or trailing spaces. The important sizing limits are 1 lesser equal s dot length lesser equal 104. S contains English letters uppercase and lowercase, digits, and spaces dot, and there is at least one word in S. Once the words are isolated cleanly, reversing the order becomes much easier than trying to reason at the raw character level. Split the string into clean words, then reverse that list of words. So in practice, whitespace cleanup happens naturally during split. Then use 2 pointers or built-in reverse on the word list, and finally join with single spaces. The example makes the target precise. Words move, but the letters inside each word stay in the same order. The cleaned words become the sky is blue, and reversing them gives blue sky the. So the walkthrough goes in order. First ignore repeated spaces during the split, then reverse the word list, not the characters inside each word, and finally join with a single space. For the deeper version, the important thing is not more code first. It is naming the invariant that makes every local move safe. The long version should pause on the invariant or the local rule that makes the solution reliable, not just on the final code. So in practice, name the rule that stays true while scanning, connect that rule to the pointer or state movement, and then the implementation feels natural. This version uses the built-in split for cleanup and a left-right swap on the word array before joining the answer back together. In the code, focus on 2 checkpoints. Watch where the answer updates inside the loop. Then notice which value is returned to finish the reasoning. Here is the full solution. The essential ideas are whitespace cleanup and reversing the word list with 2 pointers. In the code, focus on 2 checkpoints. Watch where the answer updates inside the loop. Then notice which value is returned to finish the reasoning. This remains linear in the input size, and the clean mental model is to separate formatting cleanup from the reversal itself. We process the string once for split, then once more to join. So in practice, time complexity, ON, extra space depends on the word list, and the nice separation is cleanup first, reversal second. For more LeetCode practice, follow and subscribe to the channel. This is AI and human collaboration.